Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to use Google AI Studio to speaking practice. If you want to practice speaking English with AI, then you can use Google AI Studio. This is very useful. So in this video actually I am going to show you how to use Google AI Studio to practice speaking English. So now you have to visit here on googleaistudio.com and then select live inside the chat box, and now click here on the Gemini 2.5 Plus native audio and then start talking and allow mic. Hello Google, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you.
So I want you to give some incorrect sentences so that I could make it correct, and in this way I could practice speaking English with you.
That sounds like a great way to practice. Here is a sentence. She go to the store yesterday.
She went to the store yesterday.
That's right. You used went, the correct past tense. Here's another one. He don't like pizza.
He does not like pizza.
Almost. The correct way is he doesn't like pizza. It is usually used for things or animals, not people. Ready for another?
Definitely.
They is playing soccer.
They are playing soccer.
Perfect. You got the verb agreement right. How about she running very fast?
She runs very fast.
Correct. And one more. I have been to Paris 2 times.
I went to Paris 2 times.
That's one way to say it. The sentence could also be I have been to Paris twice. Does that make sense?
Yes, makes sense.
Great. Your practice is going very well. Would you like another sentence?
If you want to provide another sentence, definitely I would like to provide correct answer for that sentence.
Sure. Here's one. He have been studying for 3 hours.
He has been studying for 3 hours.
Exactly. You're doing great with these. Should we do one more?
Yes.
Me and my friend is going to the movies.
I and my friends are going to the movies.
That's very close. A more polite and correct way is my friends and I are going to the movies. How do you feel about this exercise?
This exercise is really helpful for improving speaking skills.
I'm glad to hear that. We can continue this if you like, or try something else.
You can try something else if something else can improve speaking skills.
We could try role-playing, a conversation, like ordering at a cafe or planning a trip, or perhaps describing a picture to practice vocabulary and sentence structure. What sounds more helpful to you?
Okay, I am agree. You can continue.
Great. Let's say you are at a cafe and I am the barista. Hello, welcome to Coffee Central. What can I get started for you today?
So if you could provide me a cup of coffee, I will be obliged to you.
Certainly. What size would you like that in? Small, medium, or large?
I want large.
And what kind of milk would you prefer? Whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, or almond milk?
Actually, my favorite is almond milk, but if you could provide a skim milk, then it will be okay.
Skim milk it is. Anything else for you today?
And after completing this coffee, I would I would think about something else.
Sounds good. I'll get that copy started for you. Is there anything specific you were thinking of doing next?
And you should decide what we can do.
In that case, how about planning a weekend getaway? We can discuss where to go, what to do, and how to get there.
Definitely. So what place should we go on weekend?
Are you looking for something relaxing or something more adventurous?
I am thinking about something relaxing or something which is cool.
A scenic coastal town might be perfect. You could enjoy the beaches, explore local shops, and just relax. How does that sound?
Definitely, I would like to go there.
That sounds like a fun plan. We could look into some specific locations next.
So what are some other locations? If you could suggest, then I will consider about those locations also in future.
You might also enjoy a cozy cabin in the mountains, perfect for peace and quiet, or a tranquil lake house with opportunities for fishing and boating. Do any of those sound appealing?
Definitely, these places are perfect for spending time.
They offer different kinds of relaxation. We can explore any of those further.
Definitely, we can, but I want some more places if you could suggest.
Another option could be a luxury spa retreat nestled in a quiet area, or even a charming historical town with interesting sights. Do any of those sound like something you'd like?
Yeah, these places are also very nice. And can we talk about something like food?
Certainly. What kind of cuisine are you most interested in? Or what do you usually enjoy?
By the by the way, what is mean by cuisine?
Cuisine refers to a specific style of cooking, often associated with a particular culture or region, like Italian or Mexican cuisine.
So I like Indian cuisine.
Indian cuisine is very diverse and flavorful. Are there any particular dishes or regions you enjoy most?
Mm, there are several dishes in Indian food, and I enjoy all of them. In India, there in different states there are different kinds of food, so I love all of them.
That's wonderful. The variety is indeed amazing. Is there any particular food you're craving right now? Or would you like to switch topics again?
So you guys listened how helpful is Google AI Studio in order to improve your speaking skills. As I shown in this video, you can also start using Google AI Studio to improve your speaking skills, and you can, there is no limit. By the way, I don't know about any limit, but I practiced today English with Google AI Studio for about 10 minutes without any restriction, or if I want to continue more, I can do this. So I want to suggest you guys that you can also speak English with Google AI Studio to improve your speaking skills. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you.